Today I am going to show you how to use Mailbutler for Gmail. Now, Mailbutler, when used on Gmail, is used as an extension, and its sole function is to make mailing life more streamlined and organized. So let's start off with setting up the Mailbutler extension. You want to head over to Mailbutler's website and head to the section that says Start using Mailbutler features now. It's going to open the next page and you're going to go over to the Gmail section. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. I already have Mailbutler, so where it says remove on mine, yours would say install. Once you've hit install, head over to the little puzzle icon on the top right hand corner of Chrome and pin the extension. You'll get a few emails to set it all up, and you now have Mailbutler installed. Okay, so now we head over to the toolbar on the bottom right hand side of the screen. You will see we have a shiny new Mailbutler icon on the top. Open that up and you will be presented with the Home tab, which will have all your tracked emails and scheduled mails. Maybe you set some things that need to be done today or made some notes. They will be here. So I'm going to briefly touch on some features because with Mailbutler, the capabilities of what you can do are extremely vast. So I've composed a little email that I'm going to send, and you will notice a few things here. I have check marks at the bottom of my mail. This is for the tracking feature. I can either turn this on or off. I can set it so it notifies me when the mail is opened or an attached link is clicked. So there will be no doubt in my mind whether the mail was sent or not. Beautiful. Next, I want to add a note to this mail. Let's say once the mail is replied to, I need to let John know what he said. So I'll type in my note. Let's add a tag to that. If you put tags in a mail, it works beautifully for grouping things together. It can be anything like a project name or urgent. It's up to you. And then in the Mailbutler tab, you can always search those tags. So let's say you are a company and you want an email signature on your mails. You would click on the signature icon. Now, I don't have one, so we'll go to Manage Signatures, Profile, and here's where you can make your signature. The next time you click in, it will be available to use. The next thing I want to touch on are some smart uses of AI technology. If I click on the icon on my right, the AI assistant will pop up. Cool. So we got a new little tab. Click on the assistant there and he's going to give me some wise words. I will then proceed to thank him for his service. But we are going to go back to the mail. So here we have some new options. So I'm going to click Compose. So I give the AI a brief idea of what I want to say. Off the top of my head, I do need to buy some milk. So let's type that in. And voila, the AI has taken that lowercase mess of a sentence and made it seem like I wear a suit and tie to bed. Shout out to Barney Stinson. Okay, so we've already written a mail. I want to improve upon said mail. As always, I forget to highlight the mail first and then click Improve. Now look at this. Neat and professional. I can correct any spelling mistakes or improve upon the grammar, then replace and hit send. So already we see the insane capabilities of this extension. So let's see our mail tracking in action. We now can see in the tab we have one unopened mail. So now you will see a red notification. That's letting me know that my mail was opened. We'll go back to the Home tab, and there it is, one opened mail. So once we click in to the tab, we will have a ton of small details. We want to go right to the bottom and say see details. Here we can see what time it was opened, how many times on what device. This is merely scratching the surface of what Mailbutler is capable of. If this video helped you better understand Mailbutler and its capabilities, hit that like button. Make sure you are subscribed for more content like this, and as always, have a good day.